Hello everyone, it's me, Sarah B. I'm here to open up another StitchFix box. I think this is number 10, but I am bad with math in general and counting, apparently, so I will have to go back and double check. That would be pretty momentous if this is 10. I do remember my luck with StitchFix came in threes for a while, and now the last box was not the awesomest, but I'm here for this one, and I'm looking forward to it. So StitchFix is a clothing subscription company. It's $20 to be styled, and then that $20 gets credited to whatever you keep. If you're interested in trying it, use my referral link in the description, and then you get $20 to spend on your first box, and that is pretty fun. What else did I want to say about StitchFix? I don't know. I'm really loving it. It's challenged me in lovely ways. So here's my bag to send back what I don't want. I got jewelry this time. This is my note from my stylist and the invoice. We'll look at that in a minute. Intrigued. I don't usually get jewelry from StitchFix. My bundle. Okay, I see pattern and color. That's a good sign. So, when I specifically said what I wanted, bumping cameras and things, for my stylist, because you can write them a little love note and say, like, this is what I'm looking for. And for a while, I have said I wanted gray trousers. There's definitely something gray in here, so that would be great. Open her up. Something always feminine. Open her up. Open it up. Let's not get gender involved in this at all. Yes, they're totally gray trousers. Yay! And it's Cut from the Cloth, which was the brand that I got that pair of life-changing jeans from, which I live in to a fault. This is a StitchFix exclusive. I am super stoked to try these on. These look perfect. Like exactly what I was going for. Yay! Very cool. Gray trousers, check. Oh, it's a dress! I can always use a dress. From Mix by 41 Hawthorne. I get a lot of stuff from Mix by 41 Hawthorne. Not that that's a criticism by any means, just a comment. Look at this dress! Look at how fun the bottom is. Can you even see how fun the bottom is? Let me see if you can see how fun the bottom is. That's really pretty. Really pretty. It's called the Marie Knit Dress in black. What is this? This is an interesting color. Is it? Oh, it's another dolman top. Like the other one that I have that I live in. Jolie. Dark purple, they call it. Reed 3/4 sleeve knit top. Dark purple. You guys. Oh man, this is okay. I still have to try things on. And then here is another StitchFix exclusive top from Pale Sky. Paisley floral. And the last piece is jewelry. I think I only got one other piece of jewelry from StitchFix, and I remember I was underwhelmed for what it was. So let's see. From Kate Spade, New York. Oh, they're earrings that are like knots. Can you see that? Sailor's knots. I need to try things on. I'm very excited. I hope you're very excited too. I think that just like out of the box, I'm really delighted about all of it. I'm not in love with the earrings. However, if I'm in love with everything else and it works out that way, it might just pay off to keep the earrings and get the 25% discount for keeping the whole box. completely here for these pants. This is amazing. They're super comfy. They're really like soft. And almost like a khaki material, not like traditional trousers, but I like that because it means I can wear them a lot of other places and can feel like
Mommy.
They're very useful.
Mommy.
Yes, I know you would like some juice, baby girl. I will get it for you in just a second. The shirt is lovely as well. It's doesn't have the material doesn't have a give to it, which I typically like. And it's a little bit snug over the hips, but otherwise, I really like it. And I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe at the moment, so that would definitely fill a hole. Yay! Keep looking and trying on. So here's the purple top. Super comfortable. I don't necessarily love the color. You could exchange colors. I probably would. I have something, my only other dolman sleeve top, it's from the StitchFix box, and I had to keep it even though I was wary about the dolman sleeves, which I now love, but I loved it. I kept it because of the color. I have to look at this in some other light, because it just looks brown to me right now, and maybe it's just because of the bad lighting of my room. It's really soft. It's really comfortable, and I could totally see myself like living in this if I allowed myself to, except for the color. So maybe I could figure that out. Life with a child, you guys. It's the best. I'll be right back. This dress it's perfect. It's wonderful. It fits me beautifully. I love the detail at the bottom and like just the pattern throughout. I love it. I totally love it. So now we get to see how much everything costs and figure out what my budget looks like, because all of these clothes are amazing. And we'll see what works. We're going to be right back. And hopefully the child will leave us alone. 5 minutes to myself. Okay, so here's the note from the stylist. Meredith! Hi, Sarah. I'm not dropping any magical unicorns in today's fix, but I know you'll love the great workout wear styles that you'll find as you rip up in the tissue paper. Straight leg pants from KFTK. I know we've primarily stuck to a boot cut, but let me know what your thoughts are. This clean line and slimmer opening at the ankle. Not opposed. And I was just reading something that was saying that more women should be doing skinny legs. So maybe I've become that person now. But anyway, I pulled the paisley print tank from Daniel Rain for you to pair with these pants. I know you love the fit, that white tank from a few fixes ago, and this one is the same label. Complete the outfit with your favorite cardigan or denim jacket and head out with the door in style. Kate Spade earrings are simple yet sophisticated, or a classic way to easily accessorize any look. In the market for a new jacket or coat. Best, Meredith. And then they give you suggestions for how to style everything. I'm pretty impressed, Meredith. I don't know, that dress was kind of unicorny in how well it fit. So now let's go through and see how much everything costs and what we're working with here. I liked how everything fit. The shirt, the paisley shirt, was not as stretchy or as like giving as I typically like my stuff to be, just because I'm chasing after kids all the time and don't like to be super restricted. But that's not a deal breaker. Cost can be. So let's look. Oh my gosh. Okay. The Daniel Rain crew neck top. Hang on. And this must be this. It must be this crew neck top. Why didn't you say pale sky? Anyway. Is that something different? Nope. It's this in navy. $58, which is about what I would expect from a top from the brands that StitchFix carries. So that's pretty much expected. The dress, the Albado crew neck, the Marie knit dress in black. It's $58, which I think is a good price for a professional like workwear dress. It's super stretchy, you guys. It's really fun and really comfy. And I love it. Okay. The Kate Spade Sailor's Knot Studs is $48, which for a pair of silver studs seems about right. I typically don't buy jewelry like ever. As you can see, I don't typically wear jewelry like ever, especially since the kids have been born. But okay. The Cut from the Cloth Jillian Street Leg Pant, $68, which again I would kind of expect for the brands that Stitch Fix carries and the quality they're in, so that makes sense. And the Jolie Reed 3/4 sleeve knit top in dark purple is $38. I like it, I just don't love the color. I don't love the color, you guys. I'm trying to get like brighter tones and away from like earthy tones. Can I exchange it for a different color? Because that would be great. Super comfortable, like the most comfortable thing. But color. Anyway, so that brings everything to $270 for the box. If I buy everything, I save $67.50, which easily pays for the studs, right? The shipping was free, and because I am part of, I always forget the name of it, Style Pass, because I'm part of Style Pass, I didn't have to pay for this box. I just paid $50 for a year of boxes, and they can come as often as I want them to, and I was able to use that $50 towards whatever I kept from any of my boxes, and I already spent that credit up. Oh, that was spent a long time ago. So I have to think about spending $200 on everything, even though I don't love the color of this necessarily, or the fit of this $58 worth. You know, these are staying because they are wonderful. But I think it might make more sense for me to spend $120 on the pants and the dress. No, it's going to be, yeah, 68 and 58. I can math. Rather than, okay, I have to sit and do some math. This dress and the pants were perfect, and they're wonderful, and I am probably going to wear them tomorrow. So, yay for that. I'm definitely keeping. The dress is wonderful, and when you find great dresses in my size, you keep them forever, or as long as you can at least justify. Oh, it is number 10. Number 10 fixed. It says so on my receipt. I am now just babbling and rambling, so I apologize for that. Great box. I need to do some math, because if I'm going to spend that much for everything, for all of this, then man, I not just spend a little bit more and keep everything. This is a fun top. It's really pretty. I don't own anything like this. And it fits well. It does not fit perfectly, but it fits well. Should I keep this? I guess this is the deal breaker, really, because if I'm keeping this, then I might as well keep everything because of the way the deal works out. Should I keep this? Let me know quickly, because I have to make a decision, but I do love it. Thanks for joining me today, as always. Let me know what you think I should keep from this fix, and join me again for fix number 11. Again, if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, my referral code is in the bottom. That will give you $20 to spend on your first fix from Stitch Fix, and you too will get delightfully happy mail coming right to you. Yes, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It makes me so very happy, and join me on more future videos. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye-bye.